So the difference between us and other companies here in the Valley is the fact that for 15 years we've been servicing builders. We are a timely company. All of our employees are exactly that. They're employees that don't hire any subcontractors. Also the fact that our own tools, our own trucks, more importantly is the fact of our warranty, and that systems and processes are in place here at Closets Las Vegas. For 15 years we've been the top performer in the builder industry. We don't have those customer service issues. More importantly, as a builder offering these closets as an option for your customers, you're not going to have to worry if you're going to get a customer service issue with my company. It doesn't happen. Your schedule matters to us, and the importance of that is communications. We'll be in constant communication with your superintendents, whether they want it in before flooring or after flooring. That's where we excel. On time and delivery the first time. There's no callbacks, and we're on time according to your schedule. Closets Las Vegas is well-versed. We do multifamilies, we do ADA compliant senior citizen homes, single-family homes, apartments, anything that's been done in Las Vegas for the past 15 years that are either state or federally funded, and senior citizen housing, we've done those projects. You're dealing with someone who has been in the commercial business as well as the single-family, multifamily business and commercial sector for 15 years. Our track record is on the website, multiple projects that we've done over the past 15 years. Take a look, we're the right company for you.